Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for June 12th, 2015. We're going to have a system moving up through the Great Lakes here today. Warm fronts well to our north here, so we are in the heat and humidity once again today. Hazy, hot, and humid conditions with temperatures pretty close to what they were yesterday, maybe a degree or two warmer in some areas, or hotter, I should say. We're going to have again, the system moving through the Great Lakes here, moving up in this direction here like this, has a cold front attached to it. That cold front is going to come through here on Saturday. But out in front of it, there's going to be a prefrontal trough that is going to become the focus of showers and thunderstorms. So these are going to be very isolated, starting off in central PA here, and maybe making it over to eastern PA if the global models are correct. I'm going to go to the next frame here on the globals and show you what I mean here. You can see where that prefrontal trough is here now. Here's our cold front back here, with this system up here in the eastern Great Lakes, and then your prefrontal trough is the axis out in front of it that is the focus of these isolated showers and thunderstorms. Now, we're not expecting anything widespread. It's going to be about as much coverage as we had yesterday. The focus of that will, I think, primarily will be central PA. The reason we're saying that is go over to the NAM high-res feature simulated radar. Watch this area of convection here that just goes from nothing to this at 2 p.m. and going a little bit further in time here. You can see it moving across our western counties here. So not a big deal here. Again, these are very isolated, but there are western counties. The eastern counties are really not getting into too much action here. But you know, that can certainly change. So we'll have to monitor that as we get into your day on Friday, later in the day. This is we're talking about late afternoon, early evening when this would occur. Pretty much the same time frame that we had today, or excuse me, for Thursday for the showers and thunderstorms as well. Going back to temperatures now, I wanted to talk about that a little bit too, because we're going to be we've got heat advisories down here in the Philadelphia metro area. If it is not going to be higher in air temperature where you're at, the humidity is going to be higher today, so it's going to feel hotter. So heat indices should be very high on Friday afternoon. These are expected air temperatures from the NAM high res, and you got temperatures in the lower 90s over a very large area here. This entire area here is in the low to mid 90s. So this is a pretty big area here from the Lehigh Valley down through the Delaware Valley and down into Delaware and back down to Baltimore, Washington, D.C. These metro areas will be all 90 or above on Friday. All right, so that's that. Now we go into Saturday. Now this cold front we showed here where the prefrontal trough is going to move through. Cold front's going to move through here on Saturday, and by doing so, it's going to bring the cold front through probably earlier in the day here. So if it does do that, it does come in a little bit earlier. You're going to have the showers and thunderstorms limited because you're not going to have a lot of moisture to work with. You haven't really got a lot of the heat in the day going at that point. So, you know, models have been trending in the direction of less in the way of storm coverage, whereas before it looked like we were going to have a scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon on Saturday, possibly even a severe weather day, and now it's been trending against that and going the other direction and going more isolated. So by the time we get to Sunday, high pressure sitting over top of us, and we have lower humidity behind that frontal boundary, but then we're going right back into the scattered showers and thunderstorms later on Monday, and the models have started to pick up on the idea that it's going to be a pretty active day, especially for our western sections here on Monday. So we'll keep an eye on that for Monday, with the potential for some strong or severe thunderstorms in the afternoon on Monday. And then Tuesday looks like it will start off maybe damp early, and then we become partly cloudy and in fact mostly sunny by the time we get into Wednesday, with high pressure sinking right over top of us again. So kind of like at every other day, chance for storms here for the next couple of days here. Starting off very hot today, and then it's going to back down in temperatures here, but still above normal, just not quite as far above normal as we head through the rest of the week is the theme of the upcoming week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for June 12th, 2015. Have a great Friday.